Yeah. You see, you can welcome on Teach Tide. Today, purpose of this video is to learn how we can make money by using SproutGigs in home. Before we start our session today, let us firstly I notify you to something. It is to advice of the day. Please don't waste your time with scrolling on social media like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and WhatsApp and other social media that is not give you any few money online. Second, please share this free video cause to other people. Maybe it is their chance of starting earning money online. Let's jump to our session today. What is SproutGigs? SproutGigs in past day was called Pico is simply freelancing website that all people in world can use it. Understand me well. Please pay attention here. All people in the world can use it. No barrier. No limit. Anywhere you are, you can start using. And again, what is freelancing? We understand that it is simply freelancing website. What is freelancing? It is the person who making money per job and per task. Let's see how it works. Go on search engine, type SproutGigs. Click on the link down below. Click on get start. This is a sign up page of SproutGigs. Don't worry about any device to do this task, to do this job. You can work it on mobile phone, on computer, and the other device like tablet. And I need to notify you, I have a full tutorial on how to use SproutGigs on mobile phone. Don't worry about device to use this job, to use this task. It is free. You have mobile phone, you have any computer, you can use it. Please, I have the link in my description down below that show you how to use SproutGigs on mobile phone. Let us continue on this sign up page. Type your name here. Type your email. Maybe can be Gmail or an email from Microsoft. Type a password. Your password must be contained. This is characteristic, at least 10 characters, one uppercase and lowercase letters, number, and any special character. Select your nickname, select the country. So make sure you are in worker because you need to start making money online. To make any job, to start earning money, click on I agree, SproutGigs terms and condition. Send me a verification mail. You see there is a message of SproutGigs. Then click on the link down below. Then click on login. So this is the real interface of this SproutGigs. You need to know that you are logged in on freelancer because you need to start making money online. This is your balance. Then you click on a micro job. Click on finding a job. This is the different job that he give you some money. You see CEO promotion. Let us click on some job. Yeah, this is our first job we open. Then you see what you need is just copy and follow this expected from workers. There is required proof. You can start now. Then you can change your category and then you apply for a job. You see there is a job that has high money, 0.65, and open it. So let me notify you again. Please be attention on the task that has a human verification. This human verification, you need to verify your phone. In most cases, in most countries, this human verification it denies. If you see there is human verification, on my advice, please quickly let those job. Don't do those job. It is wasting your time. Try to find another job that is not include human verification. This is 0.65. Let us make, for example, you work job 20 times per day. You see you can earn $13 per day. Now it is your time to take a decision, start making money online. Please don't tell me I don't have money to start. It is not requirement. It is totally free. You can't tell me I don't have a computer, I don't have what and what. It is possible on mobile phone. I was told you I have the link on description that teach you a guide you full guidance on how you can use on mobile phone step by step. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to see the next tutorial and the other previous tutorials on